Hola, mis amores. Welcome back. So, we're going to do a Larimar today. I haven't done one in a little while. I'm not too sure the colors, what color Larimar I want to make it, because I think Christmas just around the corner. And talking about Christmas, the year is nearly over, and I would like to thank all the people that have supported me through the year. They have been with me, watching my videos, lifting me up and helping me. So, first of all, of course, all my subscribers, I love you to death. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then, of course, all the beautiful people in the Crafty YouTubers United group, the beautiful people in the Friendship Express train. Thank you so much for letting me in your beautiful group. Also, I would like to thank all the people that have been with me from the word go, which is Petra from Petty's Home Art, Sandra Rettich, Pure Pour by Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. You have always inspired me with your creations. Petra Jongblood, I hope that I have pronounced your name right. Of course, Tracy from Mini Scenes GB, and Julie from Pouring Your Heart Out. Louise McKay, thank you, Louise, for all your beautiful tutorials which have helped me immensely in learning fluid art. My beautiful friend Julia, who has supported me, been there and lifted me up when I needed it, especially with my trials and tribulations with my health. Thank you. And if I have forgotten anybody, thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel and always being here. So I'm using Platinum Ultra Clear. I'm sorry that I can't give you quantities because this is from Resin courses. I know there's a lot of people out there that have put their recipes, but I have to be true to where I got the recipe from, and it wouldn't be fair if I gave out a recipe. I'm using Holbein Deep Red, and I'm gonna do 1, 2, maybe three drops. It's a little bit more than 3 drops. Okay, so that's the red. Now, I am going to be using, for the second color, Mica Powder Gold. I don't know that it will work because micas in the Larimar don't work too well. But I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to use this much. I'm not going to do it very heavy in the mica. That's it. And what I'm going to do to make this a bit lighter is I'm going to add some gold alcohol ink. And this is from Solid Solutions here in Australia, and it comes in a set of 24, and you get gold and silver in it, as well as all the other colors. So, and it's very good value for the price. So I think I've done about 10 drops. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's very light. You can see right through it. So let's hope it works. Now the white, I am going to use Julie Katz's Bloom for the white. I haven't done a Larimar for so long. I had to stop and think how to do it. Almost forgotten how to do it. So that's one drop. You know, this is the good thing about this. It's very strong. One bottle lasts you for ages and ages, because you don't have to use too much. So that's 2 drops. And it's still very light, so I think I can do one more drop on it. Come on. Whoops. Let's see. Oh yeah, that will do it now. So having done that, so the first thing we do is we add the white, make sure that it's everywhere, and I will try and get rid of the micro bubbles that you get in the bottom. Hopefully that will help with the micro bubbles. All right. And now the first is the red. Then I'm putting the gold. And now I'm doing the push. And this is one of Julie Katz's molds. It's a very beautiful mold. And of course I will have links in the description for all the products, including resiners. As you can see, I will show you how good that machine is. If I can show you, whoops, it's in red. As soon as you start mixing resin, the machine starts clearing the air for you. It's money well spent, I tell you. Because your health is so important. All right, so that's that for that. I am going to the crushed glass gold in the middle. And hopefully that is the middle. All right, so that should be it. Now We'll give it a bit of a torch. And let the resin do its thing. Okay, so bye for now. Look how good that machine is. It's already cleared the air, and it's only been a couple of minutes since I poured that. Okay, let's have a look if it's ready. This is the actual exciting part, the demolding. It's a little bit soft in some areas still. Oh, there you go. Very pretty. I'm quite happy with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us.